Behind me is the prestigious RiversEdge here in Jacksonville, Florida. Today we're going to tour the Atlantic model, and if you're new to the channel, my name is Gregory Grant, your Northeast Florida realtor, specializing in new construction home buying and relocation to Jacksonville and the surrounding areas. Look, the goal for the channel is very simple. I want to help mitigate the stress that comes with buying for the first time or from buying from another state. With that being said, it's a beautiful day the Lord has made. Let's hop right into the tour. Hey, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't, please download my free buyer's guide. That'll help better prepare you for buying in Northeast Florida. And if you're looking to purchase soon or relocate here, go ahead and text, call, or email me right now. I want to be the guy that helps you. Look, your goals and dreams, they become my goals and dreams. And this video in the corner will help prepare you for what's next. God bless, and see you in the next one.